And remember this, sometimes the road to heaven feels like hell, and the road to hell, it feels like heaven. Life is full of illusions. Some paths feel easy, smooth, comfortable, but they lead to emptiness. Others feel brutal, painful, but they shape you. Success demands pain, discipline, sacrifice. Like steel forged in fire, you don't become strong without pressure. And those easy roads, they tempt you with comfort, but behind the ease lies regret, stagnation, and eventually, failure. You're not just enduring pain, you're investing in something greater. Heaven and hell, they're not just places, they're the results of the path you choose. So choose wisely.